Hey, Angelo Parada here for Croakers, Kegs, and Corks. And if that's not a mouthful, nothing is. But when you need a mouthful of that special brew, it's Croakers, Kegs, and Corks. You know, nothing tastes better than when you make it yourself. And I do some of that brew myself quite often. I like doing it. It's a great hobby, and it's something you can do. Croakers, Kegs, and Corks, located right in Union Township. Give them a try. This program made possible by a grant from Melva's Deja Vu, where everything old is new again. Hello and welcome to NewsWatch. Restore, yes, a new voluntary orientation introduction. Donuts will be provided. Restore Beaver County Habitat for Humanity is happening June 2nd at 8 p.m. and they're asking you to go out and become part of this great organization. That's Beaver County Habitat for Humanity in Beaver Falls. Restore, and we'll be back right after these messages.